In this guide, you'll learn how to manage your Gemini Advanced subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website of Gemini, provide your credentials, and log into your account. After you log in, you will be directed to this kind of dashboard. Now, click on the gear icon given at the bottom left. Now, here you're going to find the option of View Subscription. Click on that. This will redirect you to your Google One membership settings where you can view your current plan details, billing information, and renewal date. If you want to switch to a different plan, click Change Membership Plan and choose the option that best fits your needs. You'll be able to review pricing, storage benefit, and available AI features before confirming the change. In order to cancel your Gemini Advanced subscription, you can just click on the option Cancel Membership and follow the on-screen prompts. Google may ask for feedback about why you are leaving. And once the cancellation is confirmed, you'll continue to have access to Gemini Advanced until the end of your current billing period. After that, your account will revert to the available free tier features. So that's it. This way you can easily manage your Gemini Advanced subscription. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.